You know what it is, man. It's your boy GM. I'm one fisher out here. I'm my boy Huck on the phone. We talking about that trout fishing life, you feel me? About to go hit this motherfucking spot real quick. Damn. Fucking hike, nigga. We made it. Now lock in. Oh, they're going right there. They're going right there. Well, shit, gang, holla at me. Go ahead and try to catch some trout. I said, shit, holla at me, gang. I'll call you when I get up there tomorrow. Oh yeah. Hold on, you want this fish? You got some pliers? Yeah. Nah, I was like that first one I caught, bro. I was battling getting it out my net for like 20 minutes. Huh? Say what?
This spot right here, so I'm gonna tell you, since we're fishing. What people do is they walk out in the middle of it and the trout quit hitting and then they think there's no trout here. If you stay on the outside.
That's why I didn't even go in it over there.
Yeah, you gotta just stay on the perimeter, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I should have got that rubber net. I just bought this net too. Oh, he's actually good. Never mind.
Alright, we're going.
Yeah, we both got waders on. That's the only way to do it. Oh boy, Gil, I just met this dude. Hey, that's a nice one. Yeah, hold him up. Yeah. Yeah. He got the line in his mouth? Oh, I got you. I seen you set the hook on him. Tell you what, straight up, bro, cause that shit's embedded in my damn head. Me and my dad be fishing, bro.
I started doing that, I ain't missed the fish since you.
Bro, me and my dad, good shit, bro. That's a fucking beauty, dude. Yeah. It's a good day. Met good people today. My boy Gil out here holding it down. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see them. Oh.
We know the things everywhere. We got a nice one right here, nice folks. Nice rainbow.
Oh, that's a nice stud right there.
And then in here we got. See if I can grab this one. Oh! GoPro one's alive. He swallowed the hook, but he's gonna knock himself up. Wow, we get him. We gotta do it for the camera, for the gram.
Damn, dude, you making me want to sit the back of my truck up like this.
Look at that.
That's a nice one right there.
He's back.
You ever caught a gold one yet?
Yeah, I got some.
I've never caught a gold one.
Where I'm taking these, I got some gold ones. Going in the bucket.
What a day. What a day.
Yeah. Limit out.